Hey y'all, it's Summer Christiana and welcome to my channel. My name is Summer Christiana. I'm a media host and on my channel we discuss current events and pop culture. If you read the title of this video, you'll know that I am unboxing my COVID-19 at-home test that I got for free. So if you want to see what's inside this box and also how you can get your free test, make sure you stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is how my test came. And it came in the USPS priority mail shipping package. There was a seal right here. I cut that with scissors just because it was a little easier. Once you first open it, you will see instructions like you see here. And the materials that come inside are test device, a sterile swab, tube with liquid inside, a nozzle cap, and tube holder. Things that are needed but not provided is a timer, so you will have to time it. It says the notes. This test comes in a 1, 4, or 25 test quantity. The number of items supplied in the kit will vary depending on which kit is purchased. So I have the kit for 4 test kits. So they should have supplied me with 4 of all the supplies that were necessary. So here you have this. Yep, there's what? Oh wow, there's only 2 in here. I'm not sure exactly what is in here because it doesn't say. SD biosensor. Okay. I have this, and I'm not going to open these because I'm going to wait until I actually need them. This, and then another set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, which I believe are the test applications. These are the Q-tip swabs, and I got 4 of those as well. And then I'm guessing this is what the liquid comes in as far as for testing it. So that is what came inside of my box. It came within about, I want to say, a week and a half, and I ordered from, I'm not gonna tell y'all. Y'all have to watch my video that's down below in the description box. That's gonna tell you exactly step for step how to order your kit. So make sure you guys check that out. And this is perfect. Each family can get 1, and it comes with 4 test kits. It's perfect if you just are having symptoms and you don't necessarily want to go out to the doctor or go to the ER, go to the clinic to get you a test. This right here will be able to tell you if you have it or not, and it's rapid. In just 20 minutes you'll get your test results. So make sure you guys get you one. COVID is running around like crazy, so yeah, make sure you stay strapped up with your test kit. Get tested, make sure you know your results so we can all stay safe. Make sure y'all stay masked up, get your vaccines. If you feel like that's what you need to do, just make sure you're staying out here safe, y'all. And that is the unboxing of my COVID-19 kit. Make sure y'all stay safe out there while COVID's going crazy. And you already know what I'm gonna say. Summer's only one season, but stick with me where it's summer year round. I'll see y'all for the next video. Don't forget, guys, if you want to learn how you can get your free at-home COVID-19 test kit, watch my next video. I'll take you through step by step of how I got my free COVID-19 test right at my doorstep. Down below, check out the description bar. It's down there. Go click it. Go click it. See y'all for the next video.